Welcome back on a Monday morning, and here's a live view of Grand Rapids. Dry conditions out there, and I think this is going to be one of the rare exceptions for this week that will wake up to dry conditions. We have a decent chance of rain just about every single day this week, with the exception of today. So if you have any outdoor plans, it should be A-OK. Storm Track Live radar dry, but look it to the north. Quite a different story if up around the Straits area, northern Wisconsin, and also UP. Winter's holding on. And yes, they've just checked the chat line up across the northern parts of the state, and the Alpena area just reported 2 to 3 inches of snow. That's quite remarkable here as we head continuing into the early part of April. Winter weather advisories on the other side of the lake up in northern Wisconsin, but will stay dry and relatively mild today. And the reason why that contrast is because of a stationary front basically dividing the cool air mass to the north and the warmer temperatures to the south, and that stationary front is basically going to be a fixture in and around the Great Lakes in the next several days. And because of that, it's going to be the focal point of a lot of showers and even potential of some thunder showers later in the week. Temperatures out there right now, 35 in Grand Rapids, 44 close to that stationary front in Kalamazoo and also around the Sturgis area. So areas I-94 and to the south generally have the warmest temperatures today. Quite a variable wind out there, and that's typically the case when you have a stationary front in around West Michigan. Futurecast shows a lot of sunshine, although it'll be filtered at times, especially later in the afternoon south of Grand Rapids. But the clouds will take over tonight, and eventually a chance of rain showers as well. Most of them will be fairly light, and most of them will be after midnight and prior to noon tomorrow. So I think tomorrow afternoon will be dry, but the clouds are going to stick around it, and without a doubt it's going to be a cooler day tomorrow. The jet stream, the pattern comes right out of the south and west, right over the Great Lakes, and you can see all the warmth. So the summertime or late spring warmth will come right up into Michigan, and that's going to battle the cooler air in Canada. And whenever you have that type of setup, you have a lot of wet weather as one wave of low pressure after another kind of floats right across the Great Lakes. A lot of forecast models give us anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain this coming week, and this is also a pretty good setup for severe weather, especially in the central and southern plains. You'll likely hear that in the news this coming week, unfortunately. 8-day forecast, well, again, later tonight and early tomorrow, a chance of rain, and I think that's going to be essentially the same thing for later Tuesday night into early Wednesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon appears dry but cooler, and then Thursday and Friday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Notice those percentages, or that chance of rain, above 50%. So that's a very decent chance of rain. So it's one of those weeks you want the umbrella in the car.
At hand.
At hand, yes.
Go with that.
Yes.
Yeah, just grab the umbrella. Get going, huh? All right, thank you, man.